if you are a positive number, that first number, you're gonna move to the right. So I'm gonna move to the right 3 units. And you're just gonna sit there for a second. Don't do anything, do not put a point. Then the 2, because it's positive, that indicates you're gonna move up, not down. You're gonna move up. So from here, you move up 2 units. Once you've gone to the right and up, then you can put your final point. And that's point A. And I'm just going to label them so you know the differences between them. So this meant go to the right. You just have to look at your little chart I made for you. This one meant go up. But you've got to do both before you put a point. Let's try another one. Point B. -4, -1. -4, -1. So if I start in the middle, starting all over again, that first number is -4. Because that first number is negative, do you think I go to the left or to the right?
To the left.
To the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do anything yet. Then the -1. Would I go up or down?
Hacia abajo, señorita.
Down. Once you've done both, you put your point. That's letter B. So this one was left. This one was down. You don't have to label left down. You don't have to do that. That's just if you need it when you go home tonight.
Do we throw a line on this?
No, you don't put lines.
I was just wondering, are we
No,
extracting
these are
one
just
traffic one?
individual points.
Okay, point C.
Point C. I'm going to have you try this one. -2, 4. -2, 4. See if you can try that one.
First week, have you ever seen, because I remember when we did this when I was younger, like you can pretty much essentially make your own crossword, not crossword, but connect the dot pictures of these, and we did this with extra credit.
Ooh, I needed an extra credit assignment.
No, yeah, we're good.
No, that's pretty cool. It's really easy.
Isn't that like when you find the
Um,
drawing books?
You have to plot a bunch of points, and then when you connect the dots, it makes like a picture, like a something. Ooh, I'm gonna Google it because I needed something for extra credit. And I wasn't sure what to do, but
This is how you do cross stitch. The
Oh, really?
directions are like that.
oh, cool. So this will be easy for you.
You can make a portrait of me.
A portrait of you. Okay, I will work on that tonight.
Put it there.
All right. So if I start in the middle, and I know this is just going to take practice and memorizing which way to go. What does the -2 tell you to do?
Left.
Left. And then the 4.
Arriba.
And put it up. Okay, let me give you 2 more. Call this letter D. And I'm going to make this one 5, -3. Try that one. 5, -3.
Are we making a star?
I don't know. So we're not connecting any points.
So X is like negative left up?
Hmm.
Is it negative left up?
This way's negative,
Left.
this way's positive.
Right.
So you're gonna
This
go
way's
right
negative,
down.
This way's positive. Is how you have to look at it. So the X value this way is negative, because it's towards the left.
Like
And you made it 5, 2. Well, not entirely. We'll have to close it with the E and A.
Okay, I'm gonna start in the middle. What does the 5 tell me to do?
5 to the right.
To the right. 1, 2, 3,
'Cause I'm
4,
video- I'm
5.
video
Don't put a
recording.
point. What does the -3 tell you to do? Down.
Down 3.
And put your point.
Where you put your pin, that 0.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yep.
Not always,
Here? That's always 0, 0.
is it? If your origin, never mind, in ours, it's always going to go. Can't you have other origins?
No, you can have X, Y intercepts, but you can't have another origin. Okay, let's try this one. 0, 2. Now I'm going to do this one with you. You would start in the middle. What does the 0 tell you to do?
Go up.
Stay.
Stay right
You
there.
don't go left or right, you stay right there. Then what would the 2 tell you to do?
To go up.
right.
Up,
To go up.
up. The 0 tells you left or right, but it
Okay.
says don't go anywhere. The 2 would say go up or down, and because it's positive, you would go up. So it can lie on those lines. Now, these lines do have names. This horizontal line right here, we call it the x-axis. That's where all the x values are. And the vertical one, we call the y-axis. So we have an x-axis and a y-axis. That letter E, that point we just plotted, what axis did it fall on?
Why?
The y. So we can say the E is a y-intercept. That's where it touched the y-axis. So a y-intercept is where it touched the y-axis. Where it touched the y-axis. And we'll do a lot of that in the next section, but I just wanted you to give you a preview to see that it can touch there. Same thing with the x-axis. If I had point, let's call it F, and I called it point 2, 0. 2, 0. If I start in the middle, what does the 2 tell you to do?
I'm going to the right.
To the right. And then the 0 just says stay where you are. So my point would be right here. And what axis did the F point fall on?
X-axis.
So we call this an x-intercept. And again, that's where it touches, where it touched the x-axis. So they can fall on the axis, that does happen. Where it touched the x-axis. Okay, so the first part is just plotting some points. You can plot them all on the same plane like I did. You don't have to make an individual plane for every single one. There are only 4 that you have to plot, so you don't have to do it for each one. Well, I need more driving. Okay, so those were just plotting points. Now we're actually going to get to graphing lines, but the only way you can graph a line is if you know how to plot points.
Can you hold that just for a minute?
Mhm.